wakati mume wangu alipata ajali, nilikuwa kwa kibarua penye nafanya kazi. Hapo ndipo nilipigiwa simu, nikaambiwa ya kwamba bwanangu amepata accident na zile magari zilikuwa zinaenda huko state Sagana. And then after calling my mother-in-law, she told me that my husband is no more. After asking them kama wamempata akiwa huko hospitali, kaniambia kwamba hawakumpata akiwa hai na pia hawakupata wenye walikuwa wamempeleka hospitali. So if to the deceased, it's a humble request to them that are in power, that wherever they are using these rural roads, they should be a little bit careful. The speeding of the cars, they should not speed, because here in the rural areas there are so many people using the roads. Children going to school, elderly, and even the youth. Now my husband was disabled. I don't understand how a person like him could die a death like that. Even if you wanafaa wakuwe more careful to avoid such deaths, because it really pains to know that he just left and he was going for his businesses. Unfortunately, hakufika. So kama mjane wa Elite Town, niko na mtoto kijana mwenye anasoma. Huyo kijana anafaa kule, anafaa amalize masomo yake, akae vizuri. But now that my helper is gone, sina la kusema, but only God knows why he used that as the way to take home my husband.